Considering a medical career abroad, the journey to practicing medicine in countries like the USA, UK, Canada, New Zealand, or Australia involves specific steps and examinations. Understanding these pathways is crucial for your success. Each destination presents unique challenges, from licensing exams like the USMLE in the USA or the PLAB in the UK, to the MCCQE for Canada and the distinct requirements for Australia and New Zealand. The process can feel overwhelming. You don't have to navigate these complex systems alone. We understand the difficulties international medical graduates face. Finding reliable information and resources for each country's pathway takes significant time and effort. This is where we come in. We provide clear, comprehensive guidance tailored to your goals. Our platform is designed to simplify your research and preparation process, giving you a clear roadmap. At mediguide.com, we have consolidated the essential information for these key medical destinations. Find detailed guides on exams, eligibility, application processes, and necessary resources all in one place. Whether you're targeting the USA, UK, MCCQE, New Zealand, or Australia, we offer the insights you need. Our goal is to empower you with accurate, accessible information to make informed decisions about your future. Ready to take the next step in your international medical career? Explore the possibilities and find the resources you need. Visit mediguide.com today and start planning your pathway to success.